What if one aircraft quietly transformed global military logistics forever? Long before the massive C-17 Globemaster dominated strategic airlift operations. Long before modern cargo aircraft became symbols of rapid global deployment. There was the C-141 Starlifter. A jet-powered military transport aircraft that changed how the United States moved troops, cargo, and wounded soldiers across the planet. Fast, efficient, revolutionary. Yet, despite its enormous impact on military aviation history, many people barely remember its name today. So, here's the mystery. How many C-141 Starlifters were actually built? And why did this aircraft become one of the most important hidden airlift legends of the Cold War era? Because the answer reveals a forgotten chapter of military aviation history that reshaped global military mobility forever. During the Cold War, speed became critical. Military forces needed rapid global mobility, unlike anything seen before. Older propeller-driven cargo aircraft struggled to meet the demands of modern military operations. The United States needed something revolutionary. A jet-powered strategic transport aircraft capable of moving troops and equipment across continents rapidly and efficiently. That aircraft became the C-141 Starlifter. And from its very first flight, military aviation began changing dramatically. The C-141 introduced capabilities that transformed strategic airlift operations. Jet engines allowed faster deployment speeds. Long-range capability expanded operational reach. Large cargo capacity improved battlefield logistics. Suddenly, military forces could deploy troops, supplies, and medical support globally with unprecedented speed. And during emergencies, that speed saved lives. So, how many C-141 Starlifters were built? Over the aircraft's production history, hundreds of C-141 airframes entered service, supporting strategic airlift operations during some of the Cold War's most intense decades. One of the C-141's most important roles involved aeromedical evacuation missions. Wounded personnel could be transported rapidly across massive distances for treatment. And during wartime, that capability became critically important. The aircraft also played major roles during humanitarian emergencies and international relief efforts, where rapid deployment meant survival for thousands of civilians. Despite its revolutionary status, the C-141 wasn't perfect. As military logistics evolved, larger equipment and oversized cargo became increasingly difficult for the aircraft to transport efficiently. Operational demands grew. Payload expectations increased. Global military strategy changed rapidly. And eventually, the Starlifter began facing pressure from newer transport aircraft with greater flexibility and larger cargo capability. The C-141 Starlifter wasn't designed to become famous. It was designed to move the world faster, to deliver troops across oceans, to save lives during crises, and to redefine military logistics forever. That's why the Starlifter became one of the hidden legends of aviation history. And if you want more hidden truths about military aviation, Cold War aircraft, classified aerospace technology, and legendary airlift missions, subscribe now. Because the next story may reveal the secret aircraft built for global missions too dangerous to publicly discuss.